Okay, so today I'm gonna go and solve this daily Leetcode question. I'll try to solve it in Java. Okay, so event length 10 to the power of 5. And I should maximize the value. What I think about is to first to sort these events. Can it be the yeah? So like sort the event by the end of the day and end of end time, and then if I sort it by end time, I can kind of do this one-time traversal for every event. I'm gonna okay, some kind of that. So like first of all, I sort all the events by the end time. Second of all, I'm gonna iterate all of them, and for the every end time, I'm gonna get record the maximum value I can get. I can get maximum value by the end time, and then I'm gonna go again third time through all the events and sorted events, and then save everything in the interim result. return. So I wanna, basically I wanna the highest value. If I have two events that are ending at the same time, I wanna have the highest value event occurring first, so that the second time when I'm gonna go through all of them, I can record the maximum first and then update it kind of all events that ended at this time updated automatically. So I go. The question is again for third for actually figure out what the maximum value I need to somehow so I'm gonna have like second event I need to figure out like okay what's the previous max value. So like let me try to think and draw and think about this. So if I let's say I wanna this one, okay, say I want a new one, okay. So if I have like couple events that are ending at the same time, let's say this ends with value 3, this one to value 2, maybe this one 8, maybe this one like 7, and this maybe 100. So let's say I have next one that looks like this, and I need to figure out like what the closest dot to the start of this one, or the closest end to the start. And the only way I think about this, so I'll create some kind of array, or not array, like dots, and let's say I would start like have event here. So I have maximum that ends at this point is has value 8. Let's say like we have value at this time. Let's say k. The value is say the value is 8, and then here the maximum value is let's say 100 t j 100, and I'm gonna have this array of points, and then for every this interval I'll need to go find the closest one to the end, to the start, and the closest one to the start gonna be closest one to the start from the left. So it's gonna be like this. 100, and I can use the binary search in order to like do that. And it's gonna have like if n is like n, if number of events e quantity is equal to 10 to the power of 5 for every event, I'm gonna go look for binary search, do the binary search, so it's gonna be n log n complexity. So like first step, do sort events by and date. Then and date plus value. Then do a record max for every event. And then see for every event do binary search for event for other event that ends at t start minus 1 max. And then take the maximum from that event, take the max, and then add the current value plus max, and like figure out if it's a global maximum. So let me check if it has like binary search topic. Yeah, it has. So I'm sorting it. Sort binary search dynamic programming sorting heap. Actually, I can even use a heap probably. Yeah, so instead of like having this point sorted and look for them, I can just probably keep this heap. Like even having like pointer probably. Okay, so I need to compare the dates. If E1 start runtime, if E1 2 1 equals E2 1, return integer compare E1 minus of 1. So there is a compare value E1 2 and E2 2. Otherwise just do integer compare E1 1 and E2 2. E1 1 and E2 1. Then I'm gonna go I'm gonna have this array. Max values. Max values. And then here I'm gonna have like n equals events length size n and then 2 and then 4 int event max values 0 equals events 0 new int and 0 and then the value event 1 no, the end, I want the end 2 and then value okay events 1 okay events 1 and then events 2 value. It's gonna be the end date and the value and the max val equals events 0 and 2 and then max val 4 I equals 0 1 I less than n I plus plus and then I'm gonna go max val equals events I 1 no 2 2 plus max val events I and 2 and then max values I'm gonna update it I and then be new int events I 1 and then max val and then what I'll do, I'll do something. I'll do the for every for int I equals 1 I less than n I plus plus and I'll do int res equals events 0 like 0 bad equals -1 good equals why can I just take a previous one? Oh, I cannot take a previous one because it might be overlapping. Good equals current I while bad good minus bad greater than 1 I'll do m equals bad plus good minus bad over 2 and then I'll check if max values so it ends the end date m and then 0 greater than events I start date if it's less Okay, continue solving this problem. So I want to check if max values m less than event I start. If the end less than start -1, then I'm gonna move bad m equals bad, else like bad equals m, else good equals m, and then if bad not equal -1, I'm gonna go and record the res equal max res events I value 2 plus max values bad 1. And then in the end I'm gonna return res. Something like that. Let me think about this code again. So here I sort values by the end date. If the end date is matching by the end date, if the end date is matching, I sort by the value so that the most valuable come first. Then I create a max values interim array, and on index 0 I have like end date for the event, and on the index 1 I'm gonna have the max reachable on this date. Max value reachable by the end of this date. Yeah, seems good, let's run. No. This kid expected 5. So this is example number 2. 3, 5, 5, okay. 5, 5. Let's make the interim print. 4 and equal 0, and plus plus. Rata, I'm busy, I'm recording video. Okay, input. So as I sorted, yes, I sorted by the date, and then as I sorted by the value actually also, and let's print max values also. System out println max value max values I 0 plus okay, so continue debugging. Okay, that works. So something doesn't work like here. I should always oh. So here I should also do res equals max res. And then events I 2. Something like that. That was a strange error. Okay. So as I said, I didn't say that, but it was the same kind of error. I missed some edge case as it was the last time. So it's fail. So this is fail. Let me check what people do here. Start. Magic. Okay, similar approach. Okay, but how they process the max, mid, max, custom events, okay. Okay, so they record current value and maximum they found, if they found, and then record the max. Okay, makes sense. Yeah, as I said, the status failed, but yeah, at least I managed to solve it and figure out like what the edge case here and there. That's it.